Hey, man.
I cannot do this.
Hey, man.
What's up, bro?
Ay, what's up din? Matay, mapapalaban ako dito. Ha, ha, ha.
You want to play basketball?
How many your name? Grabe English ay. Ha, you sit down. Ha. Sit down. Ha. How about me? Sit down din. Why are you laughing? Your English.
Uy, is you English?
Me, it's English, man.
Is you English?
Purakdat. The name is Purakdat.
Your name is Puraktat?
Me, Boy Kalpak. How
Boy
about you? Grabe English.
My name is Gabriel Almigas.
Gabriel Halmigas.
Yeah.
Sa in English pa. Sa ganang Halmigas. Ka nang basta mamaak. Is ante. You know? Grabe English pinako. How old are you?
Eight.
Big English aya. What? 8.
Same age as Hitler.
Hey man, look at my handsome face. You talk English. You know what? What you know? Grabe English ka na yun. Where are you from? Where are you from? Oh, English. Wait.
Yeah.
You asking me? You ask me. Where from?
Where are you from?
From there. From in the side house. Grabe English niya tayo. Jesus, grabe yun. You look my physical fitness body. Very handsome, no? Grabe yung ako English yun. How about you kid? Come on here.
Come on,
I
Marton,
call
you're
you.
gonna be on YouTube.
Yes, of course not. I call you. Come on here. Yeah, come on here. I told you. Uy. Ay, English baka, man. Come on here. I told you. Biri. Maayo mo English.
Yes, he is gonna make video viral.
You can speak English? Yes, of course not. No? You can speak now. Grabe English.
You-
Yes. Abir. How many your name? Yes. Yes. Grabe ba yung English ako mga kontra eh. How many your girlfriend? Yes, yung Japon niya. Grabe.
Dan ang uyab siya.
Ay,
Uyab.
kamang here.
Uyab.
You can speak English more. Yes, Japon. Yes, I'm English speaking. How about you? You can
Me?
speak English? More
Yes.
English?
Yes.
Yes. Sabi niya kung mga English pa. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, 25. 25 girlfriends.
My goodness. You are a four? Puro guwapo?
No. His girlfriend is there.
Handsome. How about me? Yes. Sabi mga yes yun eh. Bibi, come on here. Come on here. Come on here, Bibi Kian. Bebe. Dali.
I'm doing this for
Okay.
content.
Bibi, you can speak English?
No.
Sabi. Gipaningot ko in English.
Wait.